Hello everyone, welcome back to the Statistics Bio 7. I am Mohanathanari. In today's episode 20, we will learn how to perform a logistic regression analysis in MedCalc software. So what is the logistic regressions? The logistic regression is widely used in biomedical and clinical research when your outcome variables is binary. For examples, the dataset for the presence or absence of the disease, survival or death, and success or failure. So now take the data set for the biomedical research data in clinical. So we take for the subject for the ID in the 20 different patient for different age category and the different BMI and the systolic blood pressure and the cholesterol. The last one for the diabetic status, the 0 is a no diabetics and 1 is a present the diabetics. So the diabetic status is a dependent variable. Then another for the age, BMI, systolic blood pressure and the cholesterol is a independent data set. So now the analyzed for the logistic regression in MedCalc software. So go to the top menu of the statistics options, then go to the regressions, then selected for the logistic regressions. So the open the new tab for the logistic regressions. So the first one for the dependent variable selected for the diabetes status. So selected the diabetes status, the dependent variable. Then another for the independent variables selected for the first one the age, then second one for the BMI body mass index, then third one for the systolic blood pressure, then fourth one for the cholesterol level. So the selected, then filter is your options because you take for the particular age category in the patient, we analyzed the data selected for the age category different. And the next one for the right side in the logistic regression is options. So the four type of options present the MedCalc software. Then enter, forward, backward and stepwise. Then simple dataset suitable for the enter in the first one. And the detailed explain for the method of the logistic regression, the enter, forward, backward, stepwise. The detailed write to the article in our website. The link mentioned to the before video, the episode 19th video description box. And the enter the p value less than 0.05 and the remove variable p value higher than 0.01 and the classified the table cut off the value the suitable for the 0.5. So then the option method detail we will explain the before video description box. Then go to the OK button, click to the OK button and the detailed analyzed for the logistic regression in MedCalc software. So the first one for the method choose to for the enter and the sample size is a 20, the patient 20 patients and the positive cases the 11, the total the diabetes patient for the 55% and the negative cases for the 9% the present the 45%. Then overall the model fit table, the null model minus to the log likelihood to the value 27.526 and the 0.0000, this is a value and the high square value 27.52 and the degrees of freedom the value 4, then significance level p less than 0.0001 and Cox and Sanil R square value 0.74 and Nickray R square value 1.00. So the confidence of the standard error the table, then variable for the independent variable selected for the age, BMI, systolic and cholesterol. So the confidence value and the standard error value, widely value and the p value presence. So the most of the p value present 0.99. So the odds ratio and the 95% of confidence interval the table present in the independent variable. The oddest ratio is 0 for the age. 13,549.56 is a BMI. Then the systolic, the value, and the cholesterol value 0.00. So in the Homers and Laquest test, then consistency table for the Homers and Laquest test. So the group for the 10 group, then observed the value is y is equal to 0 and the y is equal to 1, the total value. So the value present in the observed the 2, expected 2, then over for the y is equal to 1, 0, then expected 0, total the 2. So the classification of the table, the cutoff value p is equal to 0.5, then actual y is equal to 0, then predicted group for the 9, and the present the correct 100%. Then the y is equal to 1, 0, and the 11, this is a correct percentage, 100%, and the ROC curves values analysis. The area under the ROC curve, the AU the 1 value, the standard error 0, and 95% of confidence interval 0.83 to 1. So this is for the logistic regression analysis in biomedical dataset for the MedCalc software. The interpretations explained for the right to the Blacker article, that article link mentioned to the this video description box. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget like and subscribe and share to the video to find it is helpful. We will see the next one episode for the MedCalc software. Thank you for watching this video.